we have seen the preparation of balance sheet under Schedule 3 of the Companies Act 2013. So we will continue the same problem. Notes to accounts. Third one. Third one. Here, debenture it is given. So long-term borrowing. Long-term borrowing. 10% debentures. 10%, 10% debentures. 10% debentures. So one more thing I forgot. So share option outstanding account. So that we wrote no reserve and surplus. Share option outstanding, that is under reserve and surplus, no? That we wrote? No.
No,
So you
sir.
have to write.
No, sir.
Okay. So under reserve and surplus, you have to write share. We wrote nil there. So then share option outstanding account. Share option outstanding account. Share option outstanding account. Okay, so that amount is share option outstanding account 10,000. 10,000 no, that outer column. Reserve and surplus outer column 10,000. Clear? Share option outstanding account. You have to write reserve and surplus. Share option outstanding account. So already we got nil. So 10,000. So after column 10,000. Reserve and surplus. Next, long-term borrowing. So debenture is there. So that you have to write. Then you have to look any current liability or other current liability. Building, investment, shares, stores and spares, discount ownership, statement of profit loss, equity shares, capital redemption reserve, debenture, unpaid dividends. Unpaid dividends. So under which head? Anyone? Unpaid dividends. Anyone? Other current liabilities. Okay. Other current liabilities. Unpaid, outstanding. Unpaid dividend. Unpaid dividend. So amount 90,000. Next liabilities over. Now assets. Fixed assets, tangible. Tangible assets. Here it is given first building. Building 10 lakh. Any other fixed assets? No investment. So only building 10 lakh. Next, intangible assets not there. Non-current investments. Non-current investment. That is investment in in the shares of investment in the shares of investment in the shares of Metro Tyres Limited. 3 lakh. Okay, next is stores and spares, remaining stores and spares. Then that only stores and spares, that is come under where? Anyone? Stores and spares.
Inventories.
Yes, inventories. Stores and spares, 1 lakh. I think over. Okay, long-term borrowing, 10% debentures. Unpaid, outstanding, unpaid. So if you didn't write this unpaid dividend, you can write it under other current liabilities. Unpaid, outstanding, that is other current liabilities. Tangible assets, building, non-current investment, investment in the shares of Metro Tyres Limited. Then
So it will be 7 now.
eh,
7th point now. Inventory, storage and spares.
investment in the shares of Metro Tyres.
So it is 7th or 5th one. Same.
Sorry. Sure, very good. No, that is inventory, stores, and spares. Okay. Then we will prepare the main balance sheet. Shubham is very good listener only. Observer also. Super. Okay, now we will prepare the balance sheet. So balance sheet of Jyoti. Jyoti Limited. As on 31st March, on the base of your question. Question 13. So first, everyone know that equity and the liabilities. Equity and the liabilities. Under that first one, shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. Then under shareholders fund, share capital. So notes to account, you have to look. Aparna, share capital amount.
Sir, 10 lakh.
Yes. Note number 1, 10 lakh. Then B, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Note number 2, Tomlin, reserve and surplus.
Sir, 10,000.
Yes, 10,000. Next, now the item in second one, share application money pending allotment, sharing, share application money pending allotment. Third one, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. Current liabilities means long-term liabilities. First one, long-term borrowing. Long-term borrowing. Working note 3. Femina, amount, long-term borrowing.
Sir, 3 lakh.
Yes, 3 lakh. Next, fourth one, current liabilities. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Under current liabilities, we wrote only one current liability, that is other current liability. Nothing it is there, no creditors, also nothing it is there. So, other current liabilities. Anila, other current liabilities amount.
9,000.
Okay. 90,000.
Sir, 9,000.
9,000. If I wrote 9,000 means correct 90,000, no? 90,000, that is correct. 90. Okay. So, over. Total.
$14 lakh.
14 lakh. Next, assets. Assets. First one, non-current assets. Under that, so next assets, non-current assets, under that fixed assets, tangible assets, amount, net tangible assets.
10 lakh.
Next, non-current assets. Then non-current investments, the non-current investments, non-current investments. Pavitra, non-current investments, amount.
3 lakh.
3 lakh. Next, that is over. Next, second one, current assets. Current assets, only one current assets, that is inventories. Anjo, inventory amounts.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Okay, it's over. Total. Okay, so now we will do the seventh one. Then after that we will do sixth one and the second one. Okay, so now seventh one. So next one, last question. Seventh one, from the following balance sheet of Black Swan Limited as at 31st March 2013 from the following information. It is given general reserve, debenture, profit and loss account, depreciation on fixed assets, gross block. Gross block means fixed assets. Gross block means fixed assets. Current liability, preliminary expenses, preferential capital, cash and cash equivalents. Okay. So first we will do the working notes. Notes to accounts. First one, share capital. Share capital it is given 6% preferential capital. No other item. Next, reserve and surplus. So you have to look in this question. Reserve is given. Statement of profit and loss account is given. Preliminary expense also given. Okay. So we know that if preliminary expense is there, you have to write off from securities premium. If security premium is not there, then profit and loss account. If securities premium also not there, profit and loss account also not there means from the reserve. So first we have to write general reserve 3000. Then balance in statement of profit and loss. Statement of profit and loss. Amount it is given 1200 less preliminary expenses 300, so 900, so 3900. Okay, general reserve 3000, profit and loss account 900. So total 3900 under reserve and surplus. Next, the third one. Okay, any doubt? From profit and loss account or from securities premium, we have to write off the preliminary expenses. Next, the third one, long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. This given 10% debentures. 10% debentures. 3000. Okay, first share capital, preference share capital, then reserve and surplus under that general reserve, then balance in statement of profit and loss, less preliminary expenses. Then long-term borrowing, 10% debenture. Now you have to look any other current liability directly given. So no need to write in the notes to account. Okay, current liability directly given in the question. So no need to write in the working note which one current liabilities. So next, so fourth one, tangible assets. Tangible assets. Fourth working note, tangible assets. Tangible assets. Fixed assets. Fixed assets. So it is given a gross block 9,000 less depreciation. Less depreciation. Fixed asset gross block. Gross block. Blocking the amount. Okay, blocking the amount, major part of the amount in case of fixed that gross block means fixed asset. Depreciation amount it is given 700. 8,300. Next, you have to look any other item. General server depends over complex for depreciation, gross block, capitality, expenses, provision table, cash and cash equivalents directly given. So no need to write in the working note. So that you have to note, you have to tick. Here means current liability, cash and cash equivalents. No need of working note, but you have to write in the main format. Okay, current liabilities and cash equivalents. Now we will do the format of balance sheet. So balance sheet of Black Swan Limited as on 5th March 1. Shareholders fund. Shareholders fund. On that first one, sorry, equity and liabilities. Equity and liabilities. Under that first one, shareholders fund. Under that first one, share capital. Share capital. First working notes. Amounts. Aparna.
Sir, 5,000.
Yes, 5,000. Next B, reserves and surplus. Reserves and surplus. Working note 2. Anna, reserve and surplus.
3,900.
3,900. Yes. Next 2, non-current liabilities. That first one, long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Working note 3. Karthik, long-term borrowing.
3,000.
3,000. Next one, 3, current liabilities. No subhead directly given. So no notes to account. Directly we can write 2,500. Okay. So total. Total.
$14,400.
14,400. Okay. Next. Assets. That non-current assets. Under that first one, fixed assets. Under fixed assets, tangible assets. Tangible assets. Working note 4. Aditya, tangible assets.
8,300.
8,300. Next, non-current assets. Investment note there. Then only second one, current assets. Current assets, here it is given cash and the cash equivalents. Cash and the cash equivalents. So directly it is given, no need of any working out. Okay. So next step. Sixth one. Okay, next eighth one. So you don't turn on your video. So you look at the eighth question. Brinda Limited has finished the following information, has furnished the following information. 25,000, 10% debentures of rupees 100 each under long-term borrowing. Loan repayable after 5 years. Loan repayable after 5 years. That is which one? Uh, Long-term borrowing. Interest on debenture is yet to be paid. Till now we didn't pay. Only 3 items that one just. So anyone know that interest on debenture, which head? Anyone? Interest on debenture. Interest, other current liabilities. Correct. Manila, correct. First one, long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Long-term borrowings. Here, first one, 10% debentures. 10% debentures. So how to calculate the amount? 25,000 into 100. 25 lakh. Next, loan is given 10 lakh. So 35 lakh. Okay. So long-term borrowing already, you know, debenture, loan, public deposit. So second one, other current liabilities. Other current liabilities. Which one? Interest due on debentures. Interest due on debentures. Okay. So how to calculate? 25 lakh into percentage it is given. Okay, so 2,50,000. Over. Only two items. Then we will prepare the balance sheet. Okay, here only interest on long-term borrowing and other current liabilities. So interest on debenture. So interest is calculated. This is the percentage. Okay, so now we will prepare the format. They're both liability item only. Only liability item, right? Then it goes balance sheet of so first one, equity and the liabilities. That first one, shareholders fund, share capital, reserves and surplus, non-current liabilities, long-term borrowing, $35 lakh, current liabilities, other current liabilities, other current liabilities, $2,50,000. Okay, so no need of any total.
37 lakh
37 lakh 50,000 only, but here no.
50,000.
Okay, but no items, no. Asset side item, then no need of any total. Only this much you have to do. Now only one question is remaining. Second one that we will do in the next class. Okay, so that we have to do discount that then format of revenue from operation. Okay, format of statement of profit and loss account. That it is very easy. So if you see the format, then you will think that it will be difficult, but it is easy. Don't need to study full. Okay, it is very easy. Then we can complete this chapter. So Monday I am not taking test because tomorrow I won't get any period. So Monday I will tell. Okay, Wednesday also I can't take it. So that I will tell. Okay, Monday I will tell. Till now you have to study. Okay. Now second question, then format of revenue from operation. Then I will tell. We'll discuss this one. Major height. This one. Items I will give, so you have to write major head and subhead. That will be the question from this chapter. not to prepare a balance sheet, not prepare revenue from operation. Only the question will be items they will give. Okay, so suppose stores and spares, major header, current assets, subheader, inventories. Okay, suppose a share option outstanding account, share option outstanding account, major header, shareholders fund, subheader, incomes and purpose. So this will be the questions from this chapter. Clear now? So that we will discuss. Okay, thank you. So for 15 you have banking at 20%.